Nowadays, man, truckers just have like no respect, and it's like people are just plain stupid, or they just pretend to be stupid. Like, check this out. They're just flying in this lane, and left lane is completely open. I'm pulled over here in the shoulder. I put my triangles out. I got a tire blowout, and yeah, I mean, it's crazy. It's rare that guys will move over. Everybody just flies, and then, you know, when the truck driver hops out the truck or something, and then they pick the truck driver up and kill somebody, that's too late. But I think the fines and the tickets for not moving over when you have plenty of space to move over should just be crazy. That's the only way people will learn. But anyways, get to the point. I booked Louisville to North Carolina and back, round trip, power only. And you know, the thing I hate about power onlys is the trailers. They're just poor condition trailers. Like, the tires in this trailer are like dry rotted, and I don't know. It's just, people are freaking flying over here. We'll hop out in a little bit, go on the passenger side. But check this out. Like, look at this. Completely open left lane. Will not move over. Like, there we go. This guy even moves over to be next to me while he was in that lane. Like, what a douche. It's just, there's no respect anymore. There's just nothing. Everything is dead. Trucking is dead. Like, look at this guy. There's just nobody on the left, man. They don't even bother switching, even one bit. And then, you know, some of them swerve over onto my lane. It's crazy. I got a blowout. I mean, I was gonna drive to the truck stop or something, but there's just, it's like 20 minutes down, and these tires, none of them really look good, and I just don't want to keep driving and risk another blowout. So I'm waiting here to broker to give me roadside and take care of this. Yeah, hopefully that happens. At least the truck's looking nice and polished. I mean, like, look at this trailer, man. If we as owner-operators showed up to a shipper with a trailer like this, they would never, ever load you. Like, look at this. This is freaking caulked. It's hit everywhere. And, like, look at this axle. Like, what the hell even kind of axle is that, dude? And then this tire. Check this out. Jeez Louise. A little bit of a blowout there. I mean, all of them, like, you can see they're starting to dry rot right here. It's just unacceptable. I don't know how they're even keeping these trailers on the road. And then it's starting to snow a little bit. We're in 64 and 77. It was a good trip, man. It was going good. But, I mean, you're never going to see tires like that on my personal trailer, man. I mean, look at my tires. No dry rotting, no nothing. But like I said, these places get away with anything. If we show up with equipment like that, they would never load us, and DOT will put us out of service. Yet these big companies are able to run like that. All right. Going back to what I was talking about, which I don't even know what it is that I was talking about. Anyways, yeah, it's a mess back there. I was looking for something. I had to throw everything out. I know some of you guys are going to say, well, if you show up and the trailer is looking like that, blah, 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 you shouldn't take it. Dude, like, big majority of the trailers look like this. If it's a power only, they look like this. Whether it's a convoy, whether it's UPS, USPS, whatever the hell it is, majority of these trailers look like this. I've pulled convoy trailers with leaf springs. That tells you enough. And, you know, when you take a load and then you go drop your trailer, for example, this load, I deadheaded 200 miles, dropped my trailer in a yard, then went pick this up You think I'm gonna just show up and then just reject to haul it? No, I'm not. So yeah, I mean, it is what it is. It happens. But you know, this is kind of why I avoid doing these power only loads, why I prefer to do it my own trailer loads. But it is what it is, man. We're gonna keep on staying posted here. Hopefully get a roadside guy out here, get this replaced, and get back to rolling. That's the plan. Probably just gonna go lay down in the bed and wait for roadside, man. It is what it is. That's the case. I mean, if this was my trailer, I'd ride this shoulder to the next service station. I would not be paying for roadside, I'll tell you that much. And I mean, if it was my trailer, I'd be replacing that tire myself. But there's a power only, and they pay for roadside. I don't got nothing to do with it. So it is what it is. Yeah, guys, that's it. Keep y'all posted. Talk to you later. Pretty genius. Just get a 4x4 or whatever that is. Whenever it's the outer tire. Easy, you don't even gotta jack it up. They came pretty quick too. Get this knocked out and get to moving. Check out that beast. Alright, y'all. So, an update. The roadside showed up fast, but that ain't really helping us. Because, look at this idiot going so slow. Because the freaking roadside's compressor is frozen up. It's about 25 degrees, and I guess they haven't really drained it. And all the water in the compressor, it froze. And this thing is not building air. So, yeah, I'm just sitting here. They're out there messing with the compressor, trying to see if they can get that thing working. Oh boy, it's snowing. Check that out. Yeah, you probably can't see in the video. Yeah, that's it. I doubt I'm gonna make more videos. Just gonna hopefully finish this up and get the hell rid of this trailer and these dry rotted tires. And catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. So this is actually quite a bit later, but I was just editing this video and I realized I never explained what happened at the end. So that trailer with the tire blowout, I went and delivered that trailer. It worked out fine. I had no more issues with it. So I went to my hub in UPS. So I was supposed to drop that trailer, pick up another trailer, and then take that other trailer over to Lexington, Kentucky, and then drop there, pick up another trailer, take it to Louisville, Kentucky. So that's their route. I showed up. You know, they gave me a new trailer. I hook it. Everything is great. I inspect it, let my bags air up, you know, sit there, boom, boom, boom. We're fine. I make it about 40 miles maybe out of, where did I even go? I think Charleston, North Carolina, or Greensboro, North Carolina, something like that. And I see a truck stop. I'm like, okay, let me stop. There's not a lot of truck stops over there. I'm like, let me stop, pull over. I pull over. Because I hear I'm losing air. I'm losing a good amount of air. Like, I can drive. I'm not losing air to where, like, I'm, you know, not able to brake or something, you know. But I hear a hissing. I stop. I get under the trailer, and that's the video you've seen. The airbag's gone. And the thing with those UPS trailers is they have these pancake airbags that are, like, super small. Just because, I guess, all of their loads are light. So they don't really bother with the big airbags, I guess. And it's fine, but the problem is nobody even carries the airbags in stock. So the broker's like, you know, this happens all the time, blah blah blah. You should just go. And I'm like, buddy, there's 2 scales up there. I am not going. And then so they get the roadside out. The roadside's like, yeah, the airbag's toast, blah blah blah. We can't get you an airbag. We contacted everybody. This broker was like, it was crazy. Because he was like, I'm just going to have them cage it and you can get rolling, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, dude, I am not going to roll with this airbag. So yeah, like it was just terrible. Long story short, what happened was, second option, he's like, I'm gonna send a tow truck. I'm gonna have a tow truck tow that trailer to its destination. I'm like, that's fine, I really don't care. I'm like, but you need to send me a rate con stating that even with that tow truck picking it up, I'm still getting paid my money going over there. That's fine. I'm like, if you don't want to do that, that tow truck can show up here. I'm not disconnected from the trailer. So he gave up on that option. His third option was he got another truck driver to come and get the trailer. So this guy calls me and he asks me, like, oh, I'm about to get this trailer, blah, blah. I'm like, you do know the airbag's toast. He's like, what do you mean? And I'm like, it's hissing air, blah, blah. He's like, oh, well, what the hell? They didn't tell me that. So they left out that part, hoping this guy would just come and hook it, and I wouldn't tell him. And he would just go and deliver it, and he wouldn't notice it. So it's like, these brokers are just scammy, and they will throw anybody under the bus just to get this job done. They do not care about owner-operators. They don't care about nothing. And then in the end, he's like, I understand. You want to look out for your MC, your safety score, blah, blah, blah. No, you don't. If you did, you wouldn't be telling me to go and roll with this. And, like, I literally have it on email as well. You telling me I should go drive with this out-of-service trailer. If that's what UPS does and that's what UPS can afford, that's fine. I don't care. I'm an owner-operator. The company I run for, we don't do that. And we're not going to do that. And so, yeah, what they ended up having me do is just take it back to the yard where I picked up. And they gave me another trailer, and that one was fine. I delivered that one. And, yeah, that's how it worked out. But, yeah, it was a nightmare of a load, man. But I figured I'd just kind of make an ending to the video, not just end it and you're like, oh, what the hell, and leaky airbag, what's going on? It was a lot. But, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Catch y'all later.